Changing your payout method on PipelineWise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your PipelineWise account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your account information. Step 2. Navigate to account setting. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Payout Methods or Payment Settings. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to edit or add a new payout method. Enter the necessary details for your preferred payout method, such as bank account information or payment service details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your new payout method has been successfully updated. Make sure to review your payout settings regularly to ensure they are up to date. Following these steps will help you manage your payouts efficiently.